Okay, we're back. Lesson 1. And we're going over home notes. So 3 of our 7 home notes are C's: low C, middle C, high C. And we learned that middle C is middle C because it's in the middle of the grand staff, not in the middle of the keyboard. Cool. All right. Do you know what this is right here?
A treble clef.
Treble clef. Good. Do you know another name for it by chance? It's okay if you don't. Okay. I'll give you a hint. It's a letter.
G.
G clef. Good. And G clef G is right there. Cool.
Cool.
All right. This clef.
Bass clef.
Bass clef. Do you know another name for it?
No.
It's morphed. It's morphed so far that it doesn't even look like it's a letter anymore. It was originally called F clef.
Okay.
And it was like an F. I don't know, some kind of an F that's
Something
morphed
like that.
into this. So F clef F, and it is right there.
Okay.
With me?
I think so.
Okay. The hardest 2 to remember are top space E and bottom space A. Because they don't really have anything to associate with like all the other ones do, right? We have low C, high C, middle C, G clef G, F clef F, bottom space A, and top space E. So those are my 7 home notes. And you're probably thinking, why do we have home notes? Here's why we have home notes. Any note is either a step or skip away from one of my 7 home notes. That's true for here. To there on the keyboard.
Cool.
Which is the majority of what we'll play, right?
Mm-hmm.
If we get any of these high notes or these low notes, usually we'll get an 8 VA or an 8 VB telling us to play an octave higher or octave lower so they don't have to draw all those crazy ledger lines.
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, recap. What are my 7 home notes?
Well, can I start with middle C?
Sure. Anywhere you want. Middle C, good.
Okay. There's I remember the A, the low A.
Bottom space A.
Bottom
Good.
space. And then is there top space E?
Top space E, good.
And then we have F. I think that's below bottom space A, right? Or
F
okay.
clef F, right below middle C.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then G, which is above C.
G clef G, good.
And then low C and high C.
Good job. You got them all. Okay. Now I'm going to teach them to you a different way, right? So I want you to take both of your thumbs and play middle C with both of them. Oh, hold on. Oh, good. It kept it. Okay. So I'm putting both of my thumbs on middle C, and we're going to count that as 1. And we're going to go out 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my left hand pinky is playing F clef F. And my right hand pinky should be playing G clef G. Yeah, makes sense?
Yeah.
So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now watch me close. I'm going to take my thumbs and I'm going to pivot under my pinkies and go out 5 more. And that should give me bottom space A and top space E.
I'm confused on how you pivoted. Wait.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to move my computer so you can see me do it.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I
Oh, you're on your
Put your
pinkies.
thumbs
Okay.
under your pinkies.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, you try it. Good. Good. And then one more time to get high C, low C. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So we just got to remember middle C, 5, 5, 5, and we get all of our 7 home notes. Cool?
Cool.
Okay, so here's all the notes from, oops, I circled the wrong thing. Let me undo that. Okay, 2 lines below is low C, right? Bottom space A, F clef F, middle C, G clef G, top space E, and high C are our 7 home notes, right? Okay, so this is going to show you why we have home notes. Each home note is responsible for 2 notes below and 2 notes above. So this low C is responsible for a step below, which is?
Oh, sorry. Could you repeat that question?
Sure. Low C is responsible for the note that's a step below, which is what note?
B.
B. And C is responsible for a step above, which is?
D.
And C is responsible for a skip below, which is?
A.
And C is responsible for a skip above, which is?
E.
E. Now we're going to go to bottom space A. Bottom space A is responsible for a step below, which is?
Bottom space what?
A.
Oh, a step below is G.
And bottom space A is responsible for a step above, which is?
B.
And bottom space A is responsible for a skip below, which is?
F.
And bottom space A is responsible for a skip above, which is?
C.
And my next home note is?
Am I going down?
You're going up.
Okay.
I know it's probably really tiny on mom's phone, but it's F clef F next.
Oh, yeah.
So F clef F is responsible for a step below, which is?
Which is E.
And a step above, which is?
G.
And a skip below, which is?
D.
And a skip above.
That's A.
Hey, good. So my next home note is middle C. And there's a little bit of overlap here. And hopefully you'll be able to see it on the screen. Middle C is responsible for a step below, which is?
B.
And a step above, which is?
D.
And a skip below.
A.
And a skip above.
E.
Good. My next home note is G clef G. G clef G is responsible for a step below, which is?
F.
And a step above.
A.
And a skip below.
E.
And a skip above.
B.
And my next home note is top space E. Step below.
D.
And step above.
F.
And a skip below.
C.
And a skip above.
G.
And my last home note is high C, which is responsible for a step below.
B.
And a step above.
D.
Good. And a skip below.
A.
And a skip above.
E.
So every note on our staff and even above our staff, from A below low C to E above high C, is either a step or a skip away from one of our 7 home notes. Cool.
That is cool.
Now you'll
So
notice
wait.
that there are 2 notes that have 2 home notes. A and E. They are both a skip
Oh, yeah.
away. They're a skip away from C, and then the A is a skip above F and a skip below C. It's equidistant, right? And then the E is a skip above C and a skip below G.
Because those are the two notes that it's on the different clefs. The first-
Yeah, but also because we started by putting both your thumbs on middle C.
Oh, yeah.
So it's one off. So now I want to give you a note that is not a home note. And I want you to tell me what your closest home note to that note is. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, that note. What's your closest home note?
Um, E.
Oh, there's a closer one.
Um, G.
G clef G.
Okay.
Yep. So G clef G. Now is it a step or a skip away from G clef G?
A skip.
Skip. So G skip A and we get
B.
B. See how it works?
Yeah.
Oop, I hit the wrong button. Let's do another one. Because we really need to test your bass clef, huh? All right. Closest home note to that note is
Low C.
closer one.
Dang it. Wait. Is that the G right there? Or no, wait, the E. Oh, I can't
E's
remember.
clear up there.
Dang it.
Oop.
Is there F? Is that an F?
F's right there. More than a step or skip.
Mm-hmm.
You
A.
knew that.
I
You knew
forgot
that.
what A.
Bottom space A, right?
Yeah.
So A skip G and we get
F.
F. Good. All right. Let's give you another one. Closest home note.
Um. Is that one F?
It is F. Good job. F clef F. Step down and we get
G.
other
Wait,
way.
sorry. E.
E. Good. Closest home note.
E.
No, E's clear up there.
Oh, it's C. Middle C.
Good. Middle C skip down and we get
A.
A. Now this is one of those tricky ones. You could have also said F clef F skip up.
Okay.
Right?
But the one we just did.
What's that?
We just did F.
Yeah.
4.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep. Because I gave you that E, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right.
C.
Good. So C step up and we get
D.
good.
Closest one is E. That's E right there.
That's E right there,
Okay, so then
which
that's,
is 2 skips away, so can't be E.
okay. G.
G's clear down there.
Neat. Oh, it's high. It's high C.
High C. High C. How far away is it? Step or skip?
Step.
Up or down?
Um,
And we get
B.
good.
Low C.
Low C. How far away is it?
A skip up.
So low C skip up and we get
E.
Good. You're getting better at these, aren't you?
Yeah. Closest one is A,
Good.
and it's a skip up, and we get C.
Nice job.
Is that the home note?
That is not the home note.
Okay. Now we know that. Is it F?
It is F.
And it's a wait. It's called
Step.
step
Step
up.
up.
Just step up. Okay. To give us G.
Good. Now, I love that you almost messed up and said half step or whole step. What were you going to say?
Well, I knew it wasn't. I knew it wasn't a whole step. But I could wait. Right? Yeah.
It actually is a whole step
Oh, it is a whole step. Okay. That's what I meant.
because there's one note in
Yeah.
between.
Yeah.
So, what I want you to know is I want you to know that you can't necessarily determine whole step, half step on the staff. Because, well, what if it's an F sharp or what if it's a G? But you can determine that on the keyboard. With me?
Yeah.
So if we're talking keyboards, we're just going to say, if we're talking staff, we're going to say step or skip. If we're talking keyboard, then we can be more specific and say whole step or half step. You with me?
Yeah.
Cool. So my goal for you is to get you in the Minute Club. And to get in the Minute Club, you need to be able to do all the flashcards in under a minute.
Dang it.
But it'll take us a while. It's not going to happen overnight. And I'm not expecting it to, right? So we're not even going to try for a while. But I want you to start using, as a step or a skip from your home notes. So what's our home note here?
Oh no. I've been looking at the piano and not the
Right.
do we get to know what note that is?
No, you got to figure out what's my closest home note.
Okay.
What are your options? Be wrong. Fail with glory. It's totally cool.
Low C?
It's low C. Good, you're right. So low C is 2 lines below. How far away?
A half step?
We don't know that. It's a
Oh.
step. It's a step.
It's
A
a
line
step.
a line to a space is a step, right?
Okay.
Is that true? A line to a space is a step. True?
Okay, yeah.
A space to a line is a step. True? A space to a space is a
Skip.
skip.
Okay. That makes more sense now.
A line to a line is a
Skip.
skip. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so we said that our home note was low C, and it is a step or skip away.
A skip. Dang it. We just went over it. Hold on. Let me think about this. I want to picture it because obviously it's a step now.
Yeah,
I'm trying
so
to visualize.
line to
Line.
space
Okay. Okay, I see it. Yes.
is a step, right?
It's a step.
Okay, so this is low C, step up, and we get
D.
D. You're right. You're afraid of being wrong, but you're right. So if you were here, I would. Oh, can you see me?
Yeah. Yeah.
I would take a ball like this, and we'd play catch, and we'd do musical alphabet. So I'd say A, and you would go,
B.
and then I would say C, and then I'd throw you back the ball, and you would say E,
F.
G,
A.
Oh, good. You didn't say H. Excellent. No H, right?
Yeah.
So we could do musical alphabet forwards. Let's do it backwards. A,
G,
F,
E,
D,
C,
B,
A,
G,
F,
E,
D,
C,
B,
A.
F.
What?
What?
A.
Oh, G. Sorry, I skipped.
Okay, so now we're going to go forwards and skips. You ready?
Okay.
A,
C.
E,
Wait. G,
B,
D,
F,
A,
C,
E,
G,
B,
D.
E.
What? D.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said D.
D again? Okay, F,
A.
C,
Okay, now we're going to do it backwards and skips. A,
F,
D,
B,
G,
E,
C,
A,
F,
D,
B,
A. No, sorry.
What?
G.
E,
um, C,
A.
F.
So when you're bored,
That was so hard.
I want you to be able to do it because I want you to be able to go really quick because
Mhm.
it's going to help you with these, right?
Yeah.
So your next one, what's your home note?
Um, A.
No. A's clear down here.
Okay. F.
F glove F.
K.
Step down. What do we get?
E.
All right, let's do one more and then we'll go on to something else. What's your
Okay.
home note?
High C.
I see. Good job. How far away are we?
Step. No. Okay. Skip.
Line to line to skip. Okay. And
A.
good. Makes sense?